What are you doing, Pedro? Fishing? I'm so sorry, Pedro. You cannot fish in the park. But your friends can. Keep your eyes over there. Let's welcome a flock of pelicans. Yes. Pedro, yeah, you still happy, yeah? Enjoying yourself. Yeah, here we go. The pelicans are gone. Alright. Come this way, guys. Come on, please. Alright, there are 7 species of pelicans found in the world. And over here in the bird park, we have all the 7 species. Over here, guys. To the front. All of you, keep walking. Yeah. Hey, Pedro, what did you got over there, Pedro? Hold it on, Pedro. Hold it on harder. Pedro. Yes, went up. Hey. Pedro. What have you got over here? He's got a plastic bag instead of a fish. Look at him. He's so upset about the catch, yeah? And in fact, okay, many of these water birds, they are dying because of man's careless waste and the pollution of the sea. So the next time, okay, you go to the beach, please do not litter. Because even a small plastic bag can be hazardous to this bird and other wildlife as well. First of all, these pelicans to head back home now. Bye-bye. Don't that way. All of you keep walking. Yes. Pedro, not you, Pedro. Where are you going? Where is your fishing rod? Have you forgotten your fishing rod, Pedro? You please take this away with you and bring your friends along, okay? Bye-bye. See you. A big hand for them, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Amadeus, our turkey vulture. Look at that. Looking very majestic, yeah? Okay, Amadeus, you can make your way down here on this cloud. Come over here, this way. Wow, look at that beautiful fly. Very good. Come over here. Okay, turkey vultures, they can be found in Central and South America. And vultures, they are nature's undertakers. In the wild, they will feed on dead animals. And this will help to prevent the spread of diseases. The vultures, they are very, very territorial birds, especially the bigger ones. Just like Walker Bear, guarding his territory. Look at him, stomping his feet. He looks very, very aggressive, yeah? Walker, can you please stop that for a walk? Hey, I like that pose. Stop that, don't move. You know what? Somebody's made another flight all the way up there to you. When you fly very low over your head, please do not try to reach out or touch the bear. Okay. You know what I mean? They can even talk. Yeah.
That's awful.
Yeah.
Now, I tell you what, I'm going to draw a nigger for you one of those times. Joe, you want to go that little thingy that, you know, I have a special seat for a nigger. Come on. You're going to drink some water. Well, you don't do that for you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an Amazon. Amazons are well known for mimicking. Now, listen to these birds, right? Excuse me, can you say hello? Hello? Yes! people. How are you? What are you doing? How are you? How are you today? You're fine. Wonderful, wonderful. You know, I'm going to put letter. You can count 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now listen, you can count again. This time in Chinese. Yes, you can count. Now let's count in Chinese. 1, 2,
这个简直了。
You know what I would love to sing? This morning he's going to sing 3 songs in 3 different languages. Now the first one is a local children's song, Current Line. Do you know the song? Yes, some of you know it. Okay, listen. I'm going to sing for us in Mandarin. Sing for us in Mandarin. Not that one, that's Japanese. In the current line, okay, I'm going to you sing it. Sing for us in Mandarin. I'm going to pay attention there. Sing in Mandarin.
Ha ha ha!